Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am making Eid special Shahi sheer Khurma recipe. This is the full recipe for perfect Shahi sheer Khurma 1 kilo. The recipe includes a tip on how to thicken sheer Khurma at the end. 7 to 8 dried dates, 8 almonds, 8 pistachios, tablespoon kishmish raisins, grape, tablespoon desiccated coconut, 1 liter milk, two tablespoons of desi ghee or ghee. All dry fruits are roasted. Cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. Add roasted dry fruits, sugar 4 tablespoons as taste. Vermicelli, 2 tablespoons of desi ghee, half bowl vermicelli. Roast it until it turns light brown, then add it to the milk. This is the tip we mentioned in the opening video. You will add 4 tablespoons of cream, but be careful not to add the cream to the hot boiling milk, otherwise your milk may burst. Alhamdulillah, Shahi sheer Khurma Eid special ready. Garnish with coconut and dry fruits. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like, comments my channel. Thank you for watching.